This is part 2 of Auth0 tutorial. In this video, we will introduce applications in dashboard. I assume you have front-end and back-end in your project. So you can simply understand like this. The APIs is more used for back-end or trust third parties. Applications are more used for front-end. When you create a tenant, there's a default API and a default application. So this API is Auth0 Management API. Through this API, you can implement all the operations in the dashboard and more. Let's look into it. You could see there's a yellow warning here saying the Auth0 Management API can't be modified or deleted, but you can still consume it. Because this is the unique identifier for this tenant. Go through the settings in this API, you can see there's general settings, token settings, and access settings. This is the permission of the API. You can see is more related to the operations like read users, client grants, and change metadata. We will need to configure permissions when we use applications. Look at applications. First, let's look into the default app. From the default app, you can see there's basic information and application properties. You can configure application URIs, ID token, refresh token rule, and there's advanced settings. The Connections tab is used to configure in which way you want to log in with Auth0. By default, username and password and Google is enabled. You can also enable other connections like enterprise or passwordless. On the dashboard, you can see the API provide endpoints and identifiers. It's more used for your backend. App provides credentials like client ID, client secret. It also provides other settings like grant types. We will go through them in following videos. In this video, we have introduced API and apps. In the next video, we will introduce how to custom API and apps. Thank you for watching.